Hudway Drive is a cutting-edge aftermarket heads-up display designed to enhance your driving experience. This device projects crucial information like speed, navigation, calls, and notifications directly onto a transparent screen, reducing distractions and keeping your eyes on the road. Hudway Drive seamlessly integrates with any smartphone and navigation app via screen mirroring. It features a 1.8-inch LCD with a brightness of 12,000 nits, ensuring visibility in all lighting conditions. The setup is straightforward. Attach it to your dashboard, pair with Bluetooth, and it's ready. For added safety, connect side and rear view cameras to monitor blind spots and assist with parking. Suitable for most cars, Hudway Drive transforms your vehicle into a smarter, safer ride. The next generation roof rack system, DropRacks, is here to make your outdoor experiences easier. This innovative gadget allows effortless loading and unloading of equipment like kayaks, bikes, and skis, thanks to its unique elevating mechanism. DropRacks features an integrated hand crank with 2 settings, giving you extra momentum when needed. Its self-locking safety clutch ensures your load stays secure and controlled at all times. Made with black anodized aluminium, it's not only stylish but also resistant to corrosion. The compact design, with a build height of just 8 centimeters, blends seamlessly with your vehicle while providing easy access to your gear from any angle. Enjoy the convenience and reliability of DropRacks on your next journey. The Disklok is the world's strongest steering wheel lock, designed to protect cars, RVs, and light commercial vehicles. With a patented design, Disklok spins freely on the steering wheel, preventing steering and protecting the ignition lock cylinder. Its reinforced steel construction offers maximum durability and high visibility, deterring potential thieves. Tested and approved by Thatcham Research for over 2 decades, it withstands attacks better than any other steering wheel lock. The tamper-proof locking barrel boasts over 1 million key combinations, and if tampered with, the internal discs spin freely, making it impossible to open. Disklok ensures your vehicle remains secure, offering unmatched protection and peace of mind. The GL300 real-time mini GPS tracker is a compact and reliable device for tracking vehicles, assets, and loved ones. With dimensions of 3.15 inches by 1.15 inches by 1.64 inches and weighing just 9 grams, it offers unparalleled portability. Its internal 2600 mAh Li polymer battery provides a standby time of 6 to 25 days, depending on usage mode. This IPX5 water-resistant tracker operates efficiently in temperatures ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 131 degrees Fahrenheit. The device uses SuperSIM technology for US, Canada, Mexico, and worldwide coverage. The included 3-month subscription to the HappyN app allows real-time tracking, geofencing alerts, and access to lifetime device warranties and upgrades. The GL300's SOS button ensures safety in emergencies, making it an essential gadget for monitoring and security. Introducing the TRFA01 4th-gen gas can, battery-powered fuel transfer pump, the ultimate solution for safe and efficient fuel transfer. This pump, powered by 4 AA batteries, delivers a flow rate of 2.4 gallons per minute, making refueling quick and effortless. Its 18-inch suction tube and 39-inch discharge hose provide ample reach for various tasks. Designed for compatibility with gasoline, E15, E85, diesel, kerosene, and non-potable water, it ensures versatile use. The built-in auto-stop sensor prevents spills, while the locking clip offers a hands-free experience. Certified by the CSA, it meets stringent safety standards. Included are 3 gas can adapters compatible with major brands, ensuring seamless integration into your setup. Ideal for emergency use, it can also operate with just 2 batteries. The Acemend retractable car charger is a powerful and versatile gadget designed to meet all your in-car charging needs. With a robust 100 watts output, this 4-in-1 charger features both Type-C and Lightning connectors, along with 2 additional USB ports. It effortlessly supports fast charging for up to 4 devices simultaneously, including the latest iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, and more. The charger offers flexible adjustment with 7 different length settings and a retractable cable system to avoid tangling. Safety is paramount, with built-in protections against overcharge, overcurrent, and short circuits. Compact and compatible with a wide range of vehicles, this charger ensures your devices stay powered throughout your journey. Presenting the Redtiger F7NP 4K front-rear dash cam. This compact and unobtrusive gadget boasts exceptional 4K Ultra HD front and 1080p rear recording capabilities, capturing crystal-clear images, including license plates and road signs. Its superior night vision adjusts automatically for optimal low-light performance. The dashcam features 24/7 parking monitoring with G-sensor emergency recording to lock video upon detecting vibrations. Control the device and share videos easily via Wi-Fi and app integration. Equipped with a supercapacitor, it performs reliably in extreme weather conditions. The F7NP offers a 170 degrees wide-angle front lens and 140 degrees rear lens, ensuring comprehensive coverage, while the built-in GPS records your driving route. The Resqme Car Escape Tool is a compact, life-saving device that combines a seatbelt cutter and a window breaker, designed for emergencies on the road. Crafted from durable materials like ABS plastic and stainless steel, this tool can cut through jammed seatbelts and shatter tempered glass windows with ease. Its small size, only 3 inches long and weighing just 0.6 ounces, makes it convenient to carry on a keychain or attach to various locations in your car. Initially created for first responders, the Resqme tool is now an essential safety gadget for motorists worldwide, providing peace of mind with its reliable performance and simple operation. The best solution for a dead battery is the NOCO GB50 Boost XL 1500A ultra-safe lithium jump starter. This ultra-portable, lightweight, and compact jump starter can revive your 12-volt battery in seconds, up to 30 times on a single charge. Designed for gas engines up to 7 liters and diesel engines up to 4.5 liters, it's perfect for cars, boats, trucks, and more. The GB50 features spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection, ensuring safe use. Equipped with a 200-lumen LED flashlight with 7 modes, it's handy in emergencies. Plus, its USB battery pack can recharge your personal devices on the go. The GB50 is your reliable companion, ready for any battery challenge. The ROGTZ upgraded electric car jack kit is an essential tool for roadside emergencies. This 5-in-1 kit features a 5-ton hydraulic jack, an impact wrench, and a tire inflator, all housed in a compact, portable case. The jack lifts vehicles up to 17.7 inches high within a minute, while the inflator pumps at 35 liters per minute, making tire changes swift and effortless. The impact wrench's high torque removes nuts easily, with 4 socket sizes to fit most vehicles. With its heavy-duty steel construction, self-locking mechanism, and waterproof design, this kit ensures safety and reliability. Powered via a 12-volt DC socket or car battery, it's perfect for any car, truck, or SUV. HOTOR Car Trunk Organizer 11032 GR, an essential for every vehicle. With its 2 large compartments and 6 additional mesh pockets, It provides spacious storage for groceries, tools, and sports equipment, ensuring a clutter-free trunk. Made from durable Oxford cloth with reinforced stitching, it withstands heavy use and supports over 60 pounds. The thickened base panel and handles add to its robust design. The flexible configuration with adjustable Velcro strips allows for full or partial folding to fit your needs, making it versatile for any car space. Easily access items with its convenient design and fold it flat when not in use for space-saving storage. Perfect for maintaining an organized and tidy travel experience. The AR Blue Clean AR 390 SS electric pressure washer offers 2000 psi of powerful cleaning with a 14-amp motor and triaxial pressure washer pump. Perfect for tackling dirt, mold, and grime, it ensures professional-level results with ease. This model includes a professional-style pressure washer gun, a zinc steel wand with quick connect nozzle fitting, a 30-foot high-pressure hose, and a 35-foot power cord with auto reset GFCI. The total stop system prolongs pump life by shutting off when not in use. Featuring a 48 ounces detergent tank and 4 quick connect nozzles, including a turbo and soap nozzle, it provides versatile cleaning solutions for all your needs. The Thule Force XT L is a versatile and robust roof-mounted cargo box designed for everyday use. With its sleek black matte finish, it enhances the look of any vehicle while providing ample storage space. This cargo box is engineered for maximum hatch clearance, ensuring it won't obstruct your rear hatch when mounted correctly. Tested rigorously at the Thule Test Center in Sweden, the Force XT L withstands extreme conditions to guarantee durability and safety. It fits various roof racks, including Thule Wingbar Evo, Edge, Pro Bar, and Square Bar. Perfect for all your gear, it offers secure and convenient transport for all your adventures. Introducing the Fanttik Slim V8 Apex Car Vacuum, the ultimate solution for maintaining a clean car interior. This compact and ultra-lightweight vacuum weighs just 1.1 pounds, making it easy to handle with one hand. Featuring a powerful 19,000 pascal suction capability, it effortlessly tackles sand, dust, and debris. Equipped with an 80,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor, it offers 2 suction modes: Eco mode for 40 minutes of runtime and Max mode for 13 minutes. The 4-in-1 design includes vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping functions, complemented by 10 versatile accessories. With fast Type-C charging, it's ready to use in just 2.5 hours. Perfect for both home and outdoor applications.